What's going on, guys? We're ripping a box of 2015 Leaf Signature Series Hockey for Nicole A. Nicole actually ordered this box a few days ago while we were on the road moving to Florida. So sorry about the delay there. I couldn't break this for you, but here we are live tonight. Thanks, Nicole, and good luck. Let's see what you got.
China. Come on, China.
We want Connor McDavid. That's what we want.
Isn't he the UFC guy?
You're thinking Conor McGregor.
No.
Autograph of Kyle, that guy. Capo Bianco? Kyle Capo Bianco. It's probably pronounced Smith, but
Smith.
Capo Bianco. I do not know him. Another autograph of Tyler Soy. Tyler Soy. After that, autograph number to 45, Pascal Laberge. That's probably Laberge. Pascal Laberge. Laberge. That's number to 45. After that, autograph of Travis Konecny or Konecny or Konecny. Konecny.
Connect 4?
Konecny. After that, I know this guy. Autograph of John LeClair. Still a popular guy in Philly. John LeClair auto. After that, Henri Richard. Autograph to 20. Henri Richard. Otherwise known as Henry Richard. Henri Richard.
You're putting a little too much flair on that.
Autograph to 20. After that, autograph number to 15, Tanner Kaspick. Tanner Kaspick. Number to 15. And last but not least, we have a 1 of 5 on-card autograph quad jersey of Lawson Krause. Check that out. Cool card. Nice hit. 1 of 5. Prospect auto swatch, Lawson Krause. 1 of 5. That'll do it for Nicole A. Thank you very much. We'll get those right out to you.